A call for help for a mental health crisis that ended with a woman dead after police say she pointed a gun at officers who then opened fire. The whole thing unfolded in the evening hours on Monday. Police say that timing made it harder for the city's mental health response team to step in.
Tonight, Ian Russell walked through what we know about the incident with an expert.
But I'm here to provide you with some information as to why the officers were called there and what they encountered.
It's a situation no officer wants to be in.
On a report of a suicide in progress.
A nightmare that sent heartache throughout this community. A call Monday night to help ended with a woman dead. Mike Ernster with the St. Paul Police Department says a woman pulled out a gun and pointed it at officers, leading them to shoot her.
These incidents are the last. These are not something that officers ever want to encounter.
Ernster says the department has 3 people who help in mental health situations, but they work a day shift. On mental health calls in the evenings, officers will try and stabilize someone so their teams can come back the next day.
And that takes time. And it sounds like in this situation, there wasn't a luxury of time if it was in progress.
Rachel Peterson is a former police officer now working in mental health.
When we have someone that wants to harm themselves, all of our focus goes on to how can I get there as fast as I can so that I can create an intervention to hopefully interrupt that process.
While she doesn't know the full details on what happened, she knows these are hard situations for everyone involved.
It is a devastating event for every person involved because you ask a dispatcher, you ask a therapist, you ask a police officer, you ask a community member, everyone suffers from this kind of loss.
Ernster says all their officers are trained on crisis intervention. St. Paul Police will release that body camera video soon, and city council members have called for the release of that footage, and Mayor Melvin Carter says the department will work with the BCA to ensure a thorough and transparent investigation. Julie.
All right, thank you, Ian.